Technical education is the guarantee of any country's progress, prosperity, and autonomy. Through it, the youth not only acquire theoretical knowledge, but also become capable of achieving accomplishments in practical fields. Therefore, we should promote technical education in our educational system to equip our new generation with skills that can lead the country towards development. This emphasis on practical skills fosters innovation and creativity among students, allowing them to address real-world challenges. As they learn to collaborate and think critically, these aspiring professionals gain confidence and a sense of purpose, ultimately shaping a brighter future for themselves and their country. Graduates of technical education stand ready to enter the workforce equipped with the necessary skills to thrive in various industries. These events not only celebrate their achievements, but also connect them with opportunities that can transform their lives and contribute significantly to the economy. Community engagement plays a crucial role in expanding technical education as experienced artisans share their expertise with the next generation. Such initiatives not only nurture local talent, but also create a sustainable cycle of knowledge that benefits the entire community.